Storm damage can threaten the structural integrity of your siding and cause leaks and water damage. Unnoticed and unattended damage to your Hardie board siding can present a slew of trouble down the line. What should you look for? After a storm, conduct a general walk-around your home's exterior, looking for significant sources of damage such as fallen trees, broken limbs, hail marks, and other forms of debris. Any large dents, cracks, or holes in your siding are positive signs your siding has been compromised. What your siding damage may indicate: you likely have subtler damages underneath if you notice cracks, dents, scrapes, or other siding damage. Moisture, water damage, and mold are all possibilities for siding damage. What to do if you spot damage or suspect it? Calling a siding expert will ensure any visible or hidden damage is spotted and effectively repaired. What are the best sidings to prevent storm damage? James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding is the #1 choice for durable, reliable siding in New England, as it's specifically made to handle our climate. Call Solid State Construction today at 508-714-7438 if you notice siding damage to your Massachusetts home.